All right, got the throttle. Ooh, gotta tighten that down. Throttle connected, and throttle linkage connected. Throttle connected. Vacuum connected. Fuel connected. Spark advance. Now we're gonna start it up, and because it's been idling high. But all right, so we're gonna start it up, get it up at temperature, and then we're gonna start adjusting the idle screws. All right, we're gonna screw the idle screw in all the way. Then we're gonna back it out just a little bit. Start adjusting the, we're gonna start it back up and start adjusting the idle.